The Duhawks lacrosse team's 3-game winning streak snapped over the weekend against the Illinois Tech Scarlet Hawks. Senior Anna Schwalbe opened up the scoreboard for the Duhawks after Illinois Tech scored 4 goals right out of the gate. However, junior Sarah Hansen quickly shot back with one more goal from the Duhawks, scoring her 22nd for the season. Fighting their way back in the second half, the lone Duhawks goal coming from freshman Olivia Flynn wasn't enough as the Scarlets take the win 12-3. The Duhawks will hit the road to Minneapolis this Saturday, taking on the Augsburg Eagles.